Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. Mr. Bonan is here. Today, we're going to study about basic algebra and algebraic subchapter expansion. All right. Okay. Basically, expansion is the process of multiplication. Now, in algebra, usually we're facing brackets. Now, first things, we are going to learn about the single bracket first. And also, one of the most things in algebra operation is simplify the operation or the expression. Now, let's roll up. Now, this one, for example, -3 times x. Okay, it means that this is okay. Now this one. Now this, how we do it? -3 times 6x equal to -18x. Then this one, -3 minus -y equal to 3y. So it means that if we expand this expression, it'll be -18x plus 3y. Okay, like that. And how about this one? Okay, now as you can see that this -4 has no operation in it, so just leave in -4. This one. Now, okay, now let's do this one. -2a times -7x. Negative times negative, positive. A times 7x equal to 14ax. Right. And this the next operation. Negative times negative. 2a times 6y equal to 12ay. Then we join all together, become plus 14ax plus 12ay. Okay, this is the result of the expansion of this expression. Next, how about this one? All right, now we do same things. 3x times y, 3xy. Then this one, 3 times 4z, 3x times 4z plus 12xz. Yes. Then this one, -5x plus 2 times 2y equal to -10xy. And this one become positive 5xz. And then we join all together 3xy plus 12xz minus 10x plus 5xz. Have we done? Wait a minute. See, we have xy, we have xy, we have xz, we have xz. So it to simplify this expression. Okay, it'll be 3xy minus 10xy plus 12xz plus 5xz. Then let's say 3xy minus 10xy equal to -7xy plus 17xz. Done. Okay, now that's the example of a single brackets. Now we go on to double brackets. This is the method. Well, you can see this method. You can use this method. Okay. This is we can use the principle of area of rectangle like this, or associative law, and you direct multiplication. But I would like to use the common, right, the common process. The direct multiplication, this is the common process, or this is the common technique. Like previous. All right, let's go. This one. Now, how can we solve this? First thing first. 3t equal to this one, 21 t v. Now this one equal to 12 t w. Then this one down, negative 49 uv, and this one become negative 7 times negative 7u times 4w, become negative 28 uw. All right. After we have found this, let's join all together. 21 tv, right, plus 12 tw minus 49 uv plus, okay, minus 28 uw. That's it. This is our result. Okay, as you can see that there's no same terms in this case, so just leave the answer like this. And also, accuracy is very important in this algebra operation. Now, okay, let's say this one, 2xy. Is there an operation in 2xy? Well, I'm afraid not. Just make it 2xy. How about this one? Okay, right. This become 6xy, and this become, what is it? 7xb. See, oh, it's positive, sir. This is also positive. And also this one equal to negative 30 ay, and this one become negative 35 ab. All right. Now after this, let's join all together. Become, okay, this one 6xy. Then what else? Plus 7xb. Then minus 30 ay minus 35 ab. Now can we simplify this? Okay, let's see. Oh, as we can see that we have the same term here. So 8xy plus 7xb minus 30 ay minus 35 ab. Can we simplify? Cannot. So it means that this is our final result. All right, now this one. Okay. 3c times c, this first. Okay, it'll be 3c squared, because c times c equal to c squared. Okay, all right, this one. 3c times negative 2d, negative 6 cd. All right, this one. 7d times c. Oh, it's 7 cd. This one. So finally, 7 times 7d times negative 2d equal to negative 14d squared. All right, then 3c squared, this one, okay, negative 6cd plus 7cd minus 14d squared. And this is equal to, say, 3c squared Can we simplify? Oh yes, this one. Negative 6CD plus 7CD equal to negative D. And negative 14D squared. Boom. That's it. Right, next. Okay, one more time. This one more example. This one equal to negative 30D squared, right? This one, negative 60 4 plus 24D or positive 2D. This one, 6D squared. And this one equal to negative 4D. All right, let's join all of together. First thing first is negative 30D squared. Then we have 24D. Then we have, for that we have 6D squared. Finally, we have negative 4D. All right, this one. Oh, as you can see that we have the same terms in this case. So let's join all of the same terms all together. Negative 3, negative 30D squared plus 6D squared equal to negative 24D squared plus, okay, let's see, 24D minus 4D equal to 20D. Positive or negative? Positive, very good. That's it. Now, okay, thank you very much, my students. And also, if you still don't get it, please rewatch this video. Okay, right. Thank you very much for me. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good luck, my students, and I'll see you soon.